guys, this is Framester14 and we are back with another supercar drive in Dubai, and this time we have a famous YouTuber that has joined us. It's James aka the Stradman, and we have him here and we're going to show him the supercar culture in Dubai. So it's an exciting day, let's go. So we are here at Medina Auto. This is the starting point of our drive, and look at the beautiful cars that we have here. We have a Mansouri Rolls-Royce Cullinan, we have a Urus right here, we have the 992 GT3, we have the AMG GTS, the 720S, we have a Shelby Cobra over here. That's crazy, you don't see those every day. We have a beautifully spec 296 GTB, and we have a 812 Superfast over here. And over here we have a Jeep Trackhawk, Jeep Cherokee Trackhawk right here. And look what we have here. We have the RSQ8 over here. So yeah, fun day, and we have Stradman who is inside. So let's go meet him. Check this out. We have 3 GT3 RSs parked over here.
But other than that, we have some amazing guests attending us today. We've got Cam from America. We've got James also from America. And my boy DMO from the UK. Looks like he's having some fun. But other than that, once we're at Expo gas station, we're gonna be there for around 30 minutes. Get some nice shots there with the sunset. Right now, we're all gonna leave together and try to stay close to each other as much as possible. And yeah, should we head out then? You guys ready?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Guys, so we all are heading out. We have the 4 Porsches right here. All the cars are heading out. We have Stradman in the Mercedes. We have Cam Casey right there. And we have the twin turbo Hurricane right here. It's crazy. So let's go. You have the 812 over here. You're going in this 992 GT3. Let's go. Yo, we driving Stradman right there. Damn, so we have Shoop making way for us in the Mansouri Cullinan. We're back at the Expo fuel station and we have all the cars parked up here now. Guys, so I was shotgun in this 992 GT3. What an amazing experience. This was the first time I sat in a 992 GT3. It was amazing. Check this out, the Shark Blue 911 looks so good, so good. So guys, we are at one of the most craziest gas stations in Dubai. We are at the Expo 2020 Enoch gas station over here, and check out what a lineup of cars we have parked here. This is absolute crazy. So guys, look who we have here. We have Cam Casey right here with us.
What's up guys, hello.
And we are here for a beautiful supercar drive, and we have come to a very amazing gas station over here.
We got a great setup here.
Yeah.
A lot of fun cars. And,
So what's your favorite car?
ooh.
Tough question.
Oh, probably the black 720 right here.
Oh yeah, it's a very different color. It's like an MSO spec color,
Yeah.
as you can see over there.
It looks so good.
It's black and a bit of red inside.
Yeah.
Looks so good.
Looks so good. And the Dubai car scene out here is amazing.
Yeah.
It's great. It was a lot of fun. So great drive.
It's fun having you as well.
Yeah. No, thank you.
Cool, man. See you
Awesome.
around.
Yeah, I'll
Thank
see you around.
We have the man himself. We have Ayman right here who's organized.
Pleasure to have you once again. We've got an amazing lineup in the
Oh
back.
yes.
Check
this
out.
out. 3 GT3 RSs, that's
Yep.
crazy.
We've got DMO all the way from London. It's literally on London plates, twin turbo, crazy spec
Crazy
car.
sound.
We have Cam Casey as well.
Yep.
Got some crazy American influencers pulled up. We have Stradman too. Unfortunately, he had to leave. Or maybe he got lost. You
Yeah,
never
I
know.
think so. That, yeah.
Yeah. But anyways, yeah. Another private event this time. Last event was a bit more public, so we had more cars.
Yep.
But this time, private invite only for the VIPs attending. So I'm glad you enjoyed.
It was
Yeah,
amazing.
amazing lineup today, man. I'm so
Yes.
grateful. Great.
Check this out. We have the Carrera S right here. We have 3 GT3 RSs right here, red, yellow and green. We have a 720S which looks black from this angle, but it is actually not. When you come closer, you have a tint of red inside. So it's like a dark burgundy color over here. Beautiful, beautiful shade. We have the AMG GTS right here. We have the 296, wonderful shade. And we have the 812 with Norvatec exhaust. And we also have a Lamborghini Urus right there. And check what we have here. We have a Shelby Cobra. So cool. Check that out.